Yo! What's up, internet fam? Ready to make money with AI in 2025? All these tools are free. Forget those gurus and expensive courses. Today, I'm giving you the real playbook. I'll break down 7 insane AI tools that can launch your business, side hustle, or freelance career from your bedroom. People are already quitting their jobs using these tools. This is happening right now. By the end, you'll have an arsenal of AI more powerful than a whole team of employees. No fluff, no catch, just the keys to the kingdom. Let's get into it. First up, Google AI Studio. This is your 24/7 super assistant. Upload a 200-page report, and in seconds, it'll pull out the top stats and create a summary. Offer services like data analysis or executive summaries on Upwork or Fiverr. Clients pay big for time saved. The AI does the heavy lifting, so you can handle multiple projects at once. It's not just for docs. Generate blog ideas, email campaigns, or even video scripts instantly. Connect it to Google Sheets and automate tasks. Sort thousands of names, analyze sales data, or create charts with a single prompt. Sell spreadsheet automation services. Businesses will line up. This tool is a productivity hack and a business foundation. Stop wasting time on manual work. Automate and scale. Google's billion-dollar tech is now your profit engine. Whether you're freelancing or building an agency, this is your unfair advantage. It's free, powerful, and ready for you to start making money. Don't sleep on it. This could be your 6-figure launchpad. Use it smartly, and you'll outpace the competition. The future of work is here, and it's automated. Get started and watch your workflow transform. Google AI Studio is your ground zero. Next, Gamma. Turn raw notes into stunning presentations or websites in seconds. Paste your outline, click a button, and get a pro-level deck. No design skills needed. Need a new look? Hit regenerate for a fresh style. Perfect for students, entrepreneurs, or anyone pitching ideas. Start a service making presentations for execs or founders. Charge $100 plus per deck, made in under 30 minutes. Gamma also builds one-page websites, great for portfolios or product launches. Sell landing pages to small businesses. No web dev skills required. It's the fastest way to create visual content and look like a design pro. The free tier is a game changer. No more expensive software. Whether you're freelancing or launching a startup, Gamma is your secret weapon. Save time, look pro, and open new income streams. Design is now democratized. Anyone can do it. Gamma makes you money while you sleep. Tool 3, Suno. Type a vibe, get a full song beats, lyrics, vocals, all custom. Every creator needs music, but licensing is pricey. Suno lets you make original tracks instantly. No music skills needed. Just type your prompt and get a pro-quality song. Make custom intros for YouTubers or podcasters. Charge $50 plus per track. Sell royalty-free albums for coders, workouts, or meditation. Go viral with meme songs. Create trending audio in minutes. The speed and uniqueness give you a huge edge on social media. Suno is a content engine for creators and entrepreneurs. Start a music service, sell tracks, or build your brand with custom sound. Music production is now automated and accessible. The creative power is in your hands. No studio needed. Suno turns ideas into income fast. It's as easy as typing a sentence. Leonardo AI is your instant art studio. Make logos, digital art, or game assets in minutes. Describe what you want and get high-res, stunning images. No design skills required. Offer AI logo design on Fiverr. Generate 20 concepts in 5 minutes, let clients choose and get paid. Create custom art for YouTubers, bloggers, and businesses, thumbnails, featured images, social graphics. Sell images individually or as monthly subscriptions for steady income. For game devs, generate character art, weapons, or textures. Sell asset packs on Unity or Unreal marketplaces. Consistency and style control make it pro-level. Train custom models for unique projects. Perfect for children's books, comics, or any visual storytelling. Leonardo is more than an image generator. It's a creative suite. The only limit is your imagination. Visual content is in high demand. Meet it with speed and quality. Start freelancing or launch a product line with zero overhead. Leonardo makes art profitable for everyone. Runway ML is the cheat code for video editing. Remove objects, fix backgrounds, animate text, all in your browser. No expensive gear or software needed, just creativity. Use the in-painting tool to erase unwanted objects in seconds. Offer video cleanup services or background replacement, charge for pro results. AI-powered motion tracking and text-to-video features let you create stunning effects fast. Start a video editing agency or level up your YouTube channel with zero learning curve. Runway ML makes pro video accessible and free. Revolutionize your content, no excuses. 11 Labs, Hollywood-level voice cloning for free. Clone your voice or use Pro AI voices for podcasts, audiobooks, or dubbing. Type your script, generate audio, and fix mistakes instantly. No more endless recording. Create audiobooks from public domain books or partner with indie authors. Automate and profit. Offer voiceovers for ads, e-learning, or corporate videos. Deliver in minutes, not days. Localize content. Translate scripts, generate voiceovers in multiple languages, and expand your reach. Build a portfolio of voices and serve global clients. 11 Labs breaks language barriers and automates audio production. Start a voiceover business or scale your content creation. The quality is next level. Clients won't know it's AI. It's one of the most powerful audio tools out there. Last up, the open source AI buffet. Sites like Hugging Face offer thousands of free models and tools. Build, experiment, or launch a business from your laptop. No coding genius required. Find models for sentiment analysis, summarization, code generation, and more. Solve real business problems by connecting the right models. Be the smart person who automates what others can't. Build micro SaaS products or custom solutions for clients. Charge monthly for unique tools. The open source community is a goldmine for entrepreneurs. Explore, experiment, and turn free tech into profit. Your next big idea could be waiting in a public repository. No excuses in 2025. These free AI tools are insanely powerful. We just covered 7 ways to change your financial future. Pick one and start today. The barrier to entry is gone. The only thing left is action. Spend today learning one tool and brainstorm a simple service to offer. Don't get overwhelmed, just start. The opportunities are massive, but you have to move. I've given you the map. Now take the first step.